In a world that moves faster every day, technology isn't just in your hands, it's becoming part of how you see the world. Introducing Rogbid VisionShift, smart glasses that redefine vision itself. With electrochromic lenses, VisionShift adapts instantly to your surroundings. One touch along the temple arm and your view transforms. Indoors, outdoors, sunlight or shade, clarity is always one gesture away. It's not just smart, it's intuitive. Designed for modern life, VisionShift understands the rhythm of your day and moves seamlessly with it. No swapping lenses, no lag, just effortless adaptation. Beyond vision, VisionShift connects people. Its built-in AI translates speech in over 100 languages in real time. Whether you're closing a deal overseas, exploring a new country, or chatting across cultures, communication has no borders. With a built-in microphone and speaker system, VisionShift listens, records, and even transcribes conversations through the Rogbid app. It's your personal assistant, one you wear effortlessly. Powered by a next-generation chipset, VisionShift offers low-latency Bluetooth, auto-pairing, and 5 to 6 hours of battery life. And when you're on the move, fast charging keeps you ready in minutes, not hours. Crafted with elegance and durability, VisionShift comes in Dusk Blue and Tea Brown. Two timeless shades that match your lifestyle, your mood, and your vision. This isn't just another gadget. It's a statement that the future of smart wearables isn't on your wrist, it's in your view. Rogbid VisionShift. See smarter, connect deeper, and experience the world through intelligent vision. Available now at an exclusive launch price of just $59.99 during the Double 11 sale. Discover more at the official Rogbid Store and shift the way you see the world.